have one objection, which is it's very lightweight. That's not a big deal. Of course, maybe that's a positive because you can easily move it around. You know, if you put your finger as a counter effort, it will do just fine. So no big deal. It is preheating on itself, I guess. That's pre-setting in the program. The fact that the program is seafood a little bothers me. Maybe I should press vegetables one more time. It is not noisy. We can have a normal conversation in the kitchen while the fryer is working. It's rather quiet, and that really adds another good point to the nice design and the neat screen and the oven light. Also, I do not feel any smell so far, although in the manual they mention it would be normal to feel some burnt plastic smell during the first few cookings. I want to give you an idea about the nice ideas that the recipe book is giving, like crunchy roasted halibut with miso honey glaze. That is something. I am already sold, even after the fact that I have already bought it. And the coconut shrimp with lime, aioli, etc. Okay, now it says add food. Good job. Let's pretend that we added the food. Very good. I am learning how to work with this appliance. Light is off, but everything else actually starts now. The 375 is the recommended temperature, and 10 minutes should be plenty enough. At the 5th minute, it gave me a nice beep reminder to flip the food, which I will do now. And so far, it's worth to notice that the only smell, there is smell already, and that is the smell of nicely cooked asparagus. No plastic smell so far. Boom. Okay, so the cooking is done, and again I don't feel any bad smell. I only feel fantastic smell of well cooked asparagus. One surprise additional feature to this video. I wanted to try with you guys if this big chicken is 1.6 pounds, 67, will fit into that oven where the grilling is going on. I think it will. So don't buy more than 2-pound chicken, and keep in mind that you will need to fit these as well. And now let's try the asparagus. That is something I want to feed my children with. Very yummy, very well cooked. The preset, was it the fish preset or vegetables? It isn't clear, but it worked well. 375, 10 minutes. With an automatic brake for flipping, shuffling the food. Well, given that the chicken also fit into the oven, I can tell it could be a good deal. It could be a good appliance in the kitchen. I do not regret buying it, and I would be glad to respond to any questions you guys have. Thank you for watching.